Today I'm making seasoned baked eggs, Khai. This is very time consuming to make. But for me, this is so therapeutic. These are very delicious and addicting.
I give it a little swirl first. Is give it a tilt. Poke it in and pull like that.
Pretty much what you're doing is just
and
emptying the content of the egg, cleaning the shell, then marinating the yolk. Once the yolk is marinated, you would then refill the eggshells, bake it until it's cooked. How does it taste like? Have you ever went to Korean barbecue and had steamed eggs? It pretty much tastes like that.
Give it a whisk, combine well.
Wow, look at that. If you want to learn how to make this, I have the full step-by-step written recipe in my description. Whenever I go to Southeast Asian markets, I always buy these. They usually come in pack of 4s for about $2 to $3.
Start your time. Alright, time's up.
They're very delicious by itself, or you could pair it up with Vietnamese nước mắm or sweet and sour sauce. I will be teaching you how to make the Vietnamese nước mắm in my next episode. It looks kind of crazy, but it's absolutely delicious. All it is just seasoned eggs, and who don't love eggs? Follow for more.